Good morning, my name is Andrea Eileen,
And my name is Ana Carlos Zamora.
and we're going to present the sequences. First of all, what is a sequence? A sequence is a list of things, most of the time numbers, that are in order. For example, 3, 11, 19, 27, and 35. As we can see, the numbers are adding 7 by 7, and at the end, the dots means that goes on infinite.
Infinite sequences. Infinite sequence is when at the end of the sequence you put dots. That means it goes on in an infinite way. Meanwhile, indefinite is when the sequence does not have dots, it thus finishes. In here we can see an example of an infinite sequence that goes 5, 10, 15, 20 and dots. And here we have a finite sequence, 5, 10, 15, 20 without the dots.
What is a set? A set is the numbers that you are using in the sequence. For example, 10, 20, 30, and 40. A sequence usually has a rule in which we need to see and use the logic in between the numbers. The sequence is giving us an example would be this example. As we can see in the example, the numbers are differenced by 10. We can know the answer by adding 10 by 10 or subtracting backwards, 40, 30, 20, and 10. We can use it with any number and not only adding and subtracting. Also, we can multiply or divide. For example, 5, 25, 125, and 625. In this sequence, we can see that neither is subtracting or adding, so we rapidly go to the other option that is multiplying or dividing. This sequence is by multiplying 5 by 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 times 5, 125, and 125 times 5, 625.
As a formula. If we want a formula with the n in it, any term number, would be an example of the following one. This is the formula, 2n plus 1. So we can have this sequence like 3, 5, 7, and 9. Because when you multiply 2 times 1, it's 2, plus 1, it's 3, and so on and so on.
Hope you learned the
Lesson.
lesson and hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention.